Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to lower your ad cost, right? That is to reduce what you spend on ads. Now you need to understand that Facebook, unlike Google or Bing ads, doesn't target keywords. Basically Facebook does target interests, right? That is, if you are promoting an offer, okay, you are targeting people who are most likely going to be interested in your offer. Now, one reason why Facebook ad cost is going up is competition. There are a lot of people competing for the same interest, and that is why the ad cost goes up, because with Facebook you do bidding. Now let me just show you here in my Facebook ad account here. Okay, so this is just simple targeting. Now let's say we are promoting an offer that is about diabetes or diabetes cure, all the stuff. If I put diabetes here, a lot of interests will come, but Facebook limits these interests, right? It gives you the same interest that it gives to another advertiser, and that it gives to another advertiser, and it goes like that. So at the end of the day, what happens is, if we are all promoting a similar offer and we are bidding for that interest, the ad cost goes up. Now in order to avoid that, we are going to use a tool, okay, that goes inside the Facebook system and brings us audiences that our competition don't even know exist, because Facebook limits the number of audiences that it gives you. So if you can have a system that gives you different audiences, that can give you different interests that can be found on the Facebook ad manager here, that is a very big advantage, right? So it means you have an advantage over your competitors. So if I am promoting diabetes, what I'm going to be doing is I'll just type diabetes here. Now as you can see, these are 3, 5, 8, 9, okay, 12, 15, 18, 20, 23, right? So Facebook just gave me 23 interests. Now if anybody is promoting an offer that has something to do with diabetes, you're going to be seeing the same interests, okay? And if we all target the same interests, obviously the ad cost will go up. Now we're going to use a tool called ConnectExplore, right? The link is below this video. If you want to check it out, you can do that. It only costs $197 and it's really awesome. It is a one-time payment off. Now if we put diabetes here, right, and then we hit search here, great, you will realize that the interests that we have here are up to 42, right? Different from the 21 or 22 that we have here. We have different audiences, right? As you can see here, all these are audiences, okay? Cure for diabetes, these are audiences that people who are targeting people who are interested in diabetes don't even know that these audiences exist. And if you can grab this tool, you have a competitive advantage over your competitors, right? Look at this: Diabetes Today, Diabetes UK, Diabetes Wellbeing, and then many like this, help cure for diabetes. These are interests that are not available here, right? And because of that, you are tapping into a group of people, right? And then the advantage you have is you're the only one targeting these people, unless you have another smart marketer, obviously, who's using this tool. But again, not everybody is using this tool, and that is why we are all competing for the same audiences. And the next thing is, this tool is really awesome, right? Because it allows you to see exactly how much you are paying per interest, right? Now the tool, the investment required to get this tool, it really worth it, because if you know Facebook ads, what happens is we create multiple different ad sets, and in every ad set we put one interest there or two interests to see which ad set is giving us leads and sales. And at the end of the day, you can have up to 10 to 15 to different ad sets, and you just allocate a budget of $5 to each ad set just for testing. Now if you have 20 ad sets targeting 20 interests, what happens is, at the end of the day, is 20 times 5, $100 before you even know which ad sets are performing better. But with this tool, you should be able to know, okay, which interests are giving you leads and sales, and then you should also be able to know how much each interest is costing you per click. And that's really awesome, guys. Okay, now if you have this ConnectExplore, you have really huge advantage over your competitors, and you can easily make money with the Facebook platform because it allows you to tap into a group of audiences that your competitors don't even know exist. And that is a very big advantage that smart marketers are using at present. Not everybody knows about this, so you can jump in and then take advantage while it's still available. So if you have any questions, you can put that and I will be happy to help you, right? And then that's it, guys.